Guys, remember in my last video that I showed you how to run TikTok ad? This is the video that I used to run the ad right here. And you can see I run this video a few hours back, about 10 hours or so back, and this video has gotten 2,700 right now. Look at, none of my video here has even gotten up to that amount. Let me show you right now. Look at, none of my video on this account has gotten up to 100 views here, but look at this video got 2,000 views, which is just 1,600 naira that I spent on this video. Let's go more deeper into this account. Let's go see how this thing perform. You know, I was showing you guys the other time that this TikTok ad thing, it really works. So you can see that's how we go into the account the other time. You can see we go to promote. I show you guys in the first video we did in the morning, and here we are right now. You can see this is the video that we used to run the ad in the morning right there. You can see, and look at all of the options that they are giving us right now. Let's just go to see how the ad did. So it goes, like I told you in the morning, you go to dashboard right here. You can see up there, you can see dashboard. So look at our stacks right now. Look at the result overview. You can see this is, look at the ad cost right here. This ad has only cost us less than 1,000 naira, and it has gotten almost 3,000 views. This video has gotten almost 3,000 views. This is exactly 2,702 views, and 2 people follow us from this ad. Even though this ad is not run for followers, this ad was not run to get followers, it's just run for video view, but we still get 2 followers using this method. And we had 8 people that view our profile, 8 people. And this video, this is not also for profile view, because you can also run ad for people to view your profile. This is just basically for video view, and that's why you see video view that is the highest view that we had right here, which is over 3,000, almost 3,000 views right there. Let's scroll down a little bit, let's see more of what goes. So basically the same thing they are showing us above, up right here, is the same thing they are also showing us right here as well. You can see it, the amount spent, the amount of video view we got, and the amount of like. We got almost 300 likes too using this video. And the good thing about this is, once you run ad on your video like this and you finally stop the ad, it just basically just give your video a push, like, because the ad has already boosted the view of the video. So it just helped TikTok to show this video to more people that are related to the people that has watched the video the previous time when you run ad. So that's basically just how this thing works. So basically right now we spend about 1,600 naira for this ad, and we got almost 3,000 views running this ad. To me, I think it's a well spent catch like that, because imagine you have a product, maybe you are a bag seller or you're a shoe seller, whatever it is that you sell, and you just basically have a video or picture of your product and you show this thing to thousands of people within few hours. Look at how many people have seen our products right now. Let's imagine this is a product that we're running right now. Look at how many people have seen our products right now. Almost 3,000 people have seen our products, and definitely some of them will be interested in this product, and they're going to reach out to you and say, I want this product, can you get it to me, and all that. So basically that is how it worked right here. So if you're still looking for the video that I show you step by step how we create this ad in the morning, the video is going to be on my channel. I'm going to put the link to this channel right here right now. I'm going to put the screen to put this channel, so you can go to the channel, go watch the video step by step. But if you think that you can still do this ad thing yourself, that you don't know how to run this ad and you want me to run it for you, so just come to my DM right now, come to my channel. I'm also going to put my phone number right here, so you can come to contact me on WhatsApp or call me and let me know that you want me to help you run this targeted ad, either to use it to get leads, or to use it to get sales, or to use it to get followers or video views, like whichever anything you want with this ad, just let me know and I'm going to run it for you and all that. So it's as simple as that. So I'm going to see you guys on the next one. I think I'm going to run another ad later tonight or tomorrow morning, and I'm also going to share that with you guys. So guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. This is basically our ad. These are our ad did. We spent we had 1,600 naira to this ad, and look at the result we got. Less than 2,000 naira, and we got almost 3,000 video views right here. That means 3,000 almost 3,000 people see the products we are selling, see our brands, know about our products and all that. So guys, make sure you like this video, make sure you share it, and make sure you subscribe for more video like this. Put your question down below this video. Let me know whatever question you have, and I'm going to be responding to the question as soon as possible. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.